So I just found what I think is the prettiest garter snake I have ever seen. Look at this thing. You know, most garter snakes are like gray with yellow stripes. This is a beautiful orange color. I've never seen one like this. It's so weird. Garter snakes are a really common species to find in your backyard. That's where I found this one. I found them in my backyard. But usually they're a darker color. Now, they are a rather variable species. I've seen them be like almost jet black with yellow stripes or look more greenish, but this one is truly unique. Look at the belly. Those beautiful orange scales are something to behold. This is a female, and she has a really nice temperament. Sometimes when you pick up a garter snake, they will try to bite to defend themselves. This one is really, really calm. Just a beautiful creature. One of the prettiest snakes I've ever seen.